In this video, I show you how to braid. For this, you need 3 strands of equal thickness. The most difficult thing about braiding is that all the threads must be held well at all times. When braiding, you always put the right and the left yarn alternately in the middle. Here I start on the right with the blue yarn. I put the blue yarn in the middle. Then I continue on the left with the pink yarn. I put the pink yarn in the middle too. I continue like this. I put the right yarn in the middle, then I put the left yarn in the middle. I always hold all 3 threads so that the braid doesn't come loose again. At the end, I knot all the yarn ends together so that the braid can no longer come loose.